As the second string Reggae Girlz jet off on another mission impossible, this time against Chile, in Chile. Again because the senior Reggae Girlz and the JFF remain at loggerheads. And it's obvious now, this is not about money and was never about money. There are other demands and other issues outstanding. And these girls are not budging until all their demands are met. Of course, these Reggae Girlz making demands is nothing new. Remember, they demanded and got the firing of a coach. They demanded and got the hiring of another coach. They demanded and got the removal of a JFF director from a tour bus. So in the midst of this silence, we know and we understand that this is a deeply divisive issue. This JFF administration is arguably the worst and most unpopular in the history of football. But even then, can anyone fathom a federation that is supposed to be governing, supposed to be in charge of the sport, continuing to be ordered, embarrassed, and kicked about like a ball without at some point putting down them foot?